Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add grid lines to your iPhone camera. It's super handy if you wanna level your shots or follow the rule of thirds. In my hand, I've got the iPhone 15 Pro running the latest iOS 26. Before we move on, you gotta check out this easy video cutter and merger app. It's perfect for trimming your videos to fit social media stories and statuses. For more help, check out the video linked above or down in the description below. All right, now let's get back to the topic. First, grab your iPhone and open up the Settings app. Scroll down till you see Camera and tap on it. Now look for the option that says Grid. You're just gonna toggle that switch on. That's literally it. Next time you open your camera app, you're gonna see those grid lines right on the screen. They don't show up in your photos, they're just there to help you line things up. If you ever wanna turn them off, just go back to Settings, tap Camera, and switch Grid off. All right, that's all there is to it. Hope this helped you out. If you want to see more quick iPhone tips, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.